Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you this Mira shower XL mixer. I fitted this shower mixer in my bathroom and I'm very much happy with it. It's packed with good performance. A lot of professionals choose this shower mixer with Mira Magni-flo technology, which deliver up to 3 times more flow even at low pressure. That's why I love it. And 4 spray shower head with rub clean nozzle for easy limescale removal. So I ordered this shower head from online, and with ceramic flow control which keep limescale at bay, yes. And this shower head also with thermostat temperature stable to keep shower safe for all the family. So we fitted this for the bathroom, and it has a maximum temperature stop which keeps shower safe at all time with override for a hotter shower. So this is what we have here. Order this order this Mira showers XL mixer and fitted it in my bathroom. I'm very much happy with it. Thank you.